Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online courses with Teachable, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your online courses with Teachable, begin by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the course that you want to upgrade. Click on the Course Curriculum tab on the left sidebar. Review your existing content to identify areas that need enhancement. Consider adding multimedia elements such as videos, quizzes, or downloadable resources. To add a video, click on New Lecture and select Video. Upload your video file or embed a link from platforms like YouTube. Enhance your lectures with engaging visuals by incorporating images and slides. Next, create a quiz to assess your students' understanding. Click on New Lecture and select Quiz. Set questions that align with your course objectives. To improve student engagement, consider adding discussion prompts. Click on New Lecture and choose Text. Encourage students to share their thoughts in the comments section. For a more interactive experience, import exercises or case studies. Next, adjust your course pricing to reflect the upgraded content. Go to the Pricing tab in the course settings. You can offer a new pricing tier or discounts for early adopters. An essential part of your upgrade is refining your course descriptions. Clearly articulate the benefits and outcomes of the course. Lastly, promote your upgraded course through email and social media. Craft messages that emphasize the new features and improvements. Monitor student feedback and engagement to make further enhancements. Regular updates will keep your course relevant and valuable. By following these steps, you will effectively upgrade your course with Teachable. Your students will appreciate the enhanced learning experience you provide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.